my name is Ivy Rose Anderson, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I am going to be showing you how I get my eyebrows on super quick and super easy, and you are going to be like, wow, that literally took her like no time at all. I mean, eyebrows are where it's at these days, whether you're penciling them in, people are getting your eyebrows tattooed. I mean, you name it, you can do whatever you want with your eyebrows these days, and they are like the hot trend and they aren't going anywhere. So first off, if you want to see more of what I have to offer, please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to become a subscriber. And I am just kind of starting out my channel, so any love and support you guys want to show me would be fantastic. Or if you're looking for certain looks that you would like to see, whether it's makeup or hair, please, don't hesitate to ask. Drop it below in the comments. And please leave any questions that you have there as well. So you guys, today I am going to show you, because I do something a little bit different than what a lot of other people do for eyebrows. Now you may think, oh my gosh, this sounds so complicated. What is she going to be doing? And actually what I do is really simple. I actually airbrush my eyebrows. I know, it sounds crazy, it sounds difficult. It really is honestly probably the easiest thing you'll ever do eyebrow wise. It takes no time at all. It honestly gives my eyebrows some shape. As you guys can see, I have darker eyebrows, but they're just not quite as dark as what I would like them to be. So that is why I like to airbrush my eyebrows. So with the eyebrow stencils that I use, you can tell that I really love my eyebrow stencil because it has a lot of pigment on here, and I didn't clean it from yesterday. So sorry guys, that's just what you get. I'm a mom, I don't have tons of time. So for me, this is something quick and easy that I can do, but gives me that eyebrow look that I want. I really enjoy this way of doing it. So with the stencil, I can use my eyebrow, and this is actually a dual purpose. It serves as a root touch-up as well for those of you who get gray hair. So if you're between salon touch-ups and you just want to cover those grays, we have different sprays, the colors for eyebrows and also for the root. So this really is awesome, not only for your eyebrows, but for your roots as well. So I don't have any gray hair yet, but I know it's coming. Man, I know it's coming. Being a mom is my biggest accomplishment in life, but also the hardest thing I have ever done. If you're a mom, you totally get that. So I'm going to jump right in, you guys. This isn't going to be a super long video because airbrushing eyebrows doesn't take forever. So with our stencils, there's about 9 different shapes. Now, I like shape number 3, but I also think shape number 2 is really good. But today I'm going to show you my favorite shape. All I'm going to do here is I have my wonderful airbrush with my compressor that's here, but I don't want to pull it up and knock everything off of my table. So I have my airbrush and I have my color. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shake it up. Shake. And I am only going to put 2 drops in here, you guys. Why? Because a little goes a long way with this. So I'm only going to be doing 2 drops. It'll probably be 1, 2. It's going to probably be too much. Sometimes I may need to add another drop, but most of the time 2 drops is golden. And so what I like to do next is I get my stencil lined up to my eyebrow. And now it doesn't have to be perfect, because obviously our eyebrows are not going to be the exact shape of the stencil. So what I like to do is you can either get it really dark here and not here, or you can do the whole thing. It doesn't matter, but I'm going to turn on my airbrush machine. You can hear it. And I am just going to lightly pull back the trigger, and I kind of making it darker there and down to here. And just like that, you guys, 2 seconds, I have magical darker eyebrow. And as you can tell the difference between the two, eyebrow, not done eyebrow. So I am just going to wipe this off. Normally I would use a nice clean towel, but you know, when your baby's about to get up from a nap and I wanted to rock this out, this is what you get. So now I really like the way that that's looking. I may go back over it again after I do this one. It just kind of depends. So I'm going to line up my eyebrow again. And here we go. We're gonna give it a spray. Spray. Make sure my hair's out of the way. Give it a spray. And just like that, I have 2 eyebrows that are complete. And I don't think I want to go over them anymore. I don't want them any darker. So for me, that's about where I'm going to leave it with the eyebrows today. And so just like that, I have my eyebrows defined. They've got some color. It just brightens up my look. And it's something that I refuse to leave the house without doing these days. If I have to have anything, one of the things is having my brows done. And just like you saw there, it literally took me 2 seconds. So I just used my handy dandy stencil, my brow cover, and root and brow kit, and my wonderful, wonderful star of the show, airbrush. So I completed this look today. I actually gave myself a spray tan first today, so I'm feeling tan and fresh. And then I put some, which I did at home with my airbrush. So I spray tan today with my airbrush. I put my foundation on today with my airbrush. I did a little bit of blush today with my airbrush. And now I did my eyebrows today with my airbrush. And I did not even have to clean it out once in between, which is awesome. I will clean it out now that I am done. But just like that, you guys, quick and easy eyebrows. There you go. You see my eyebrows. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, like I said, drop them below in the comments. I would love to know and help in any way that I can. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Come back again. Come check out some more awesome stuff. And I will see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.